We have reached our destination. They're suited up. Here comes Miss Pink, Miss Purple, Miss Green, Mr. Blackstripe, Mr. Bluestripe, Miss Green. Mr. Redstripe says, I hate this bow. Here comes Miss Yellow. I love the bows. I know you guys hate them. And Mr. Redstripe. Some toys out here. Some water, shade. First time on real grass. Miss Green found a toy. Good, get busy, Mr. Green Stripe. Good, get busy, Purple Stripe. Miss Pink and her brother, Mr. Blue Stripe, on a toy. Nice. Beautiful day. A little bit of a breeze. I hate the bows. I love those bows. They try and scratch them off. Miss Green. Miss Purple. Miss Yellow doing a little landscaping over there. Mr. Blue Stripe, the watering hole. Mr. Blackstripe. A little walkabout. There goes Miss Pink. And Red Stripe. Oh, nice leaf. Mr. Green Stripe. Mr. Red Stripe at my feet here. Black Stripe. Miss Green on a toy. Oh, Miss Yellow says, I found a little stick. Nice. Kill it. Wow. Mr. Green Stripe doing some landscaping as well. Miss Pink at the watering hole. Mr. Blue Stripe just flopped out in the shade. Miss Pink. Miss Yellow, Miss Green, Green Stripe, Miss Yellow, Miss Purple, whoops. What happened? It's Mr. Blue Stripe through the water dish with a toy in his mouth. Like I said, first time on real grass. Mr. Blue Stripe says, I think I'll just take that toy home with me. Thank you very much. I like it. Black Stripe. A little more adventuresome. I know those bows are silly to you guys, but they're fun for me. Miss Green. Green Stripe. Miss Purple. Red Stripe. Miss Green. Miss Pink. Miss Yellow. Mr. Blue Stripe. Black Stripe. Green Stripe. So, nice landing. I'll let the puppies play here for 15 or 20 minutes until they run out of puppy juice, and then I will load them back up in the wheeled carrier and we'll go home. Very brave for your first adventure off the property. Say we are having a fine time. All right, hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.